Hi everybody, it's Connie from Danville Public Library, and it's January, and these are our new crafts for the month, and you're going to love this one. When you get it, it looks just like this, ready to go in a package. Now listen, right here is a thermometer. Be careful when you take that off, okay? Right here is a magnet. Be careful with that too, but watch out because that's a real thermometer. So this is how it comes packaged. You will get a sheet with it and you can practice some skills. And this talks about large, small, medium, with the biggest, the middle size, the smallest, and it gives you some directions to follow. But on this side, I think you're going to love this because it's winter poems and it gives you some technical words, some adjectives, some verbs, some similes, and some connections, and you use all of these words to create some winter poetry. And I bet your family would love to get some of that from you, so you can create your poetry. Now, when you open your package, remember, be careful getting that thermometer off. I'm going to be real careful with mine. It's not the easiest thing to do, but we will get it. There it goes. Here it is. And take it off very carefully and put it there. I'll go ahead and take the magnet off. You don't have to be as careful with it, but we have to be careful. And put it there. Now, here's all of your pieces. You have snowflakes. Looks like, I don't even know, what do you think that is? Oh, no. Looks like it says chill out. And then we have white dots, and looks like we have pieces for a hat, and our magnet, and our little bubble eyes. So what you do is you look at this picture, and it'll show you just what to do. And it will tell you also, you can read the words. The first thing I'm going to do is take this big one that says chill out, and I'm going to the back. Oh, look, and you peel that all off there. Then I'm going to be careful, get it straight, and then just push it down all over, just push it down. So what you have is this, okay, the beginning of a cool penguin. All right, and then I want to give this penguin a hat. So this is the hat. It goes like this, and it goes like that. But I'm like, well, how am I going to get that on there? Well, I'll tell you how. I'm going to use some of these little sticky dots that I have. And I'm going to take a dot. I'm going to get it off there. And I'm going to put one right here, like that. And then I'm going to take the bottom of my hat and I'm going to hook it to it like that. Then I'm going to take my hat and put it on here. And I'm going to take another one of these. And you might use more than one, but we have to save some back for our wings. Take that off. And we're going to put that right there. And we're going to put the hat on. So now we have a penguin with a hat. Well, this poor little penguin is missing something. I see a pink dot and a pink dot. I see two eyes and I see a beak. So let's put the eyes on first. Now these should be the peel and stick eyes that you have, and sometimes they're not very easy to get off. So just take your time and get those off of there. If they don't want to come, you can always glue them on. And you can see they're just a little difficult to get off, but you have to just take them all the way around and eventually they'll come off. There's that one. So I need an eye. There's one eye. And let's see if I can get another one. Take your fingernail. You might have to have an adult help you and just peel that back like that and it comes off. And there's my other eye. Okay? Missing now is a cute little beak. And guess what? It even has peel off on it. Now you could put your beak this way, but I'm going to put my beak going down like that. Okay? Oh, my little penguin needs some rosy cheeks. So here's a rosy cheek dot for right here. Oh yeah. And here's a rosy cheek dot for the other side. Okay? Now so far, so good. But I have this. Now, what is this? This is a scarf, and it's going to go here. It doesn't have any sticky, so go back to your little white dots. Grab a white dot, peel it off, and I'm going to put it, I want mine to go like this. Put one here, and I'm going to put 2 on this. It's pretty long. It needs more than 1 dot. I'll put another dot right here. Oh, yeah. And then see that? And then it goes like that. So far, so good, huh? Now, here's this, and here's this. What do you think? Well, we need 1 for each side. And I think I want mine to go like that. Oh, and that. Does you think that matches? I think so. So, go back to your little dots. Get you another little dot. Peel it off. This one takes a little while to do. This is a cute craft, though. And just put a little dot right here. And peel that other piece off. And put it right there. And 1 more, and only 1 more. Now, I have some extra dots left, so if you want to use extra dots anywhere on yours, you can to get it to hold together. And this one goes here, and it goes there. There you go. How you like that? Now, do you see this thermometer? This thermometer does not have anything to hold it on. And so I am going to use a little bit of glue. Be very careful. This is a real thermometer. And I'm going to glue that on just like this. Get over there, little penguin. And I want to make sure it goes the right way. And I'm going to put that right there and press it easy, real easy. Now, the only thing left that you have to look at here is you have some snowflakes. And you can take the back off of those, and you can put them anywhere you want on your penguin. And the middle does come out, so if you pull real careful, it will come out. I'm going to put a snowflake right there. Okay? And then you have 3 more snowflakes that you can put anywhere you want. This thermometer really works, by the way. You can put it on your refrigerator, or you can put it anywhere else. Here's your magnet, and we know that we just take this, put it on our magnet, like that. Take the other side off. Lots of peeling on this one, guys. And I just turn it over, and I put my magnet on the back very carefully. I don't want to break my thermometer. And there you go, guys. Chill out with your own penguin thermometer. Have fun. Thanks.